Today I'm going to show you how to turn on game sharing on Steam. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming tips. Game sharing is a really useful feature because it allows your family members to access and play the games from your Steam library without having to buy them again. Let's go step by step. First, open Steam and look to the top left corner. Click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Family section. Here, you'll see the option to create or join a family group. If you don't already have one, click to create a new family. If you've already set one up, you'll see your existing group here. Once your family is created, you can start managing it by inviting members. To invite someone, you first need to make sure you're friends on Steam. To add friends, hover over your username at the top of the Steam window, then click Friends. From here, you can send a friend request if you haven't already. After your friends, go back into the Family section in Settings and send them an invitation to join your family. Once they accept, they'll be able to access your Steam library and play the games you own. And that's it. You've successfully set up game sharing on Steam. Now your family members can enjoy your games without needing to buy them separately. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might want to set up Steam game sharing too.